Hello, today I show you how to properly install XAMPP on your PC. If you are new, please subscribe my channel. First, if you are using Skype, please turn off your Skype. It will be disturb installation process. You see the connection and uncheck this box and it must be checked. Save, then OK. Close it. And quit Skype. Quit. Now go to the right corner of your PC and turn off antivirus for 1 hour or 2 hours. Then type here UAC, User Account Control setting, all the down. Then OK. Remember, if you are using Windows XP or 2003, it will not work because it's very old. Here is a new XAMPP version. I am using 32-bit computer. It will automatically show on your PC which system you have, 32 or 64-bit. You see the XAMPP already started. Again, the antivirus disturbing. I must off it. Just disable for 1 or 2 hours. Next, and check all of the box. Next, and you see the folder. It is C and XAMPP folder. Now XAMPP is ready for installation. Next, if you are using new computer, it will very faster. If it is old, it will very slow. Maybe 5 to 7 minutes. It will take time. It is already almost done, and press finish. Choose your language and save. Hit save. Here is XAMPP control panel. You see, at first I will go to phpIni file. Just type here upload max. That means maximum file size. Here is 2 M. It is very small. Just encourage it to 56 M. And next, memory limit. It also need to encourage. You see here is 128 M. I will change it 2256 and save. Close it, stop and restart again. If you have any problem about XAMPP installation, you can check my another 2 tutorials. It can help you. You see, the Tomcat is not working. Don't worry, all will fine. You see, the return code is 1. Now we will change it. At first, download Java AC. This is the latest version, but I am using old one because my computer is old for this tutorial. Just accept license agreement and choose your file. It is 64-bit bin.exe. If your computer is 32-bit, it will be shown 32-bit exe. Run. Next. Next. Development tools. You see the development tools. Next. You see, I am downloading an old version. This is old version, but you can download new one, latest one. See the installation path? You can change, but I keep it as same. Close it. You see it is already successfully installed. Now start. You see, command promote window will come here. Don't shut down this window, keep it open. Don't close this window. We'll change something in our machine because till now we have some problem. You see, it is not running. Just I want to show you. If you want to update your phpMyAdmin, PHP or MySQL, that means MariaDB in your gem folder, please see my tutorial. You see, all my new version are here. Go to the command promote and you must run it as an administrator and type net user and hit. You see, here is my Russian computer. It is old computer. Then type reg edit. Go to your H key local machine. Then software. Then Microsoft. Then Windows. Then current version. Then policies. Then system. You see the system. And go to filter administration token. Open it and replace 0 with 1. Then OK. Then again go to policy, system and UIPI. Then default value not set. Click here and put this code 0x00000. That means 70 then 1. In the first bracket also 1. Then press OK. And close it. Now stop all of the services and restart it. Again, restart Apache, MySQL, Filezilla, Mercury and Tomcat. Now it will must run. You see it is running without any red errors. Go to admin, then phpMyAdmin, then SQL and place this code here. Just and save. You see? Close it. Go to your local C drive, then gem folder. phpMyAdmin, gem and phpMyAdmin. You see the path of the folder, the authorization authorization type cookie, and put a password, any password, what you like. I will put here hello pass. Hello pass, this is my password, and save it. Go to admin and phpMyAdmin and put the username must be root, it is by default, and password, my password hello pass, and go. You see, this is our XAMPP local server in my computer. phpMyAdmin and create a new database because I want to configure Filezilla. Remember, don't use this database for your site. It is just for tutorial. It is not professional database. It is quick database. Creating a table. Go and just fill up this all boxes, 4 boxes. By default it is 11, int and 11, and the first name must be virtual, and by default it is 255. I am putting here 250. Last name, it is also virtual and 255 by default. I am putting also 250. Address, it must be also virtual and 255 by default. I am putting here 250 and save. Don't use this database because it is not tutorial for database. I have another tutorial. If you want to know how to make professional database, go to my another tutorial. Here is my database name. I must add a user account. This test user, the localhost, and password. And retype again the same password and check global privileges, check all, and go. Hit go. It is just for Filezilla. You see, now we have user. If you have any difficulty about XAMPP, you go to the how to use it. Here is everything. Here is everything. You can learn perfectly how to install XAMPP in your machine. You see, it is very easy. Now I'm going to Filezilla. You need it. See, we have nothing here. First, add a user. You see, test user. And you need to create a folder in XAMPP folder. Then htdocs at this place. You see the path. I'm creating a folder here. Just test www1. It is empty. Now add this folder and check all the boxes. You see? And OK. Here first, you can put here your password. Can check your Filezilla host IP, username, password, and port 21. It is by default. By default 21. You see the right side. It is empty. But Filezilla is ready to use. Now I want to test MariaDB. First, go to your Google account and set up enable this option IMAP. You see, enable. And just click here, I want to enable IMAP. And you will need Outlook for configuration your MariaDB. First, go to here, how to guide. Here is everything. You must read it carefully because it is not so easy. It is related with cyber security. This is just I configured the Mercury mail system because it will be very long. If I want to show you everything, it will be very long, maybe 2 hours, maybe 2.5 hours. You can read here. Everything is here. I also learned from here, not from other tutorials, because there are few tutorials for Mercury Mail. Go to your XAMPP folder, then PHP, then just open your PHP file with Notepad++ and make some change. Just type here find Sendmail dash path and find next. You see here. Be careful about space. XAMPP port 587. I just close it. I just off it. Here is your email and password. Gmail. And here is also here is your email. You can find this code from the XAMPP help site. You see there are two email here and save. It must be real email. It is better use Gmail. You see it is already giving me success. I send email, test mail. You see that somebody want to send me. Yes, it was in Russia that time because I know Russian. And give a name and save. And now we need to configure all of this item with loopback address. With our loopback address, that means local IP. Give username, password. You see, it is very easy. Again, this is not tutorial about Mercury Mail, just it is configuration. Then press OK. You see, Mercury Core Module configuration. Everywhere localhost.com and your internet name. This is your local IP address in third bracket. Root 127.0.0.01. You need to fill up with loopback address everywhere. It is very important. Just check this box and OK. You see name server, also local IP address. Add a POP3 host name. This is also local IP. Username, demo, password, your password. And press OK. Save. You see something is changing. It is automatically. If you are putting your data, it will changing automatically. I just want to restart it. The black window will come. Never shut down this window. That means command forward windows. Now I want to send a mail. Just want to test. From postmaster at the rate of localhost to demo at the rate of localhost.com. Subject test, demo mail. Test and send. Something will happen now. You see, it is changing. You see, to demo localhost, okay. Complete one. Just I stop and restart again. You need to Outlook Express for Windows. Download it. Give a name and your email address. That means demo localhost. And use group server also localhost IP. Account name also demo test. Set up your mail account. Demo email demo localhost.com and give a password. You see, it is creating email account. It is maybe some maybe I mistake my password. My password, retyping my password. You see, the default email is here. It's not my mail, but my server is working. I want to delete this one. Then I want to send new email. New mail. Just I want to compose new one. Demo localhost.com, subject test mail, and body text hello test your email, and check inbox. Must be this mail is here. You see, the mail is here. Now I want to configure Tomcat. You see, the black window pop up, that command promote. Don't close it. Go to admin. Copy this code from here. Go to C drive, XAMPP folder, then Tomcat, then config and Tomcat user. Just change the password, username our Tomcat, and password AAB777. Remember it. Tomcat AAB777 and save it. Stop and start. AAB 777. You see? This is Tomcat Web Application Manager. Go to Gem, then Tomcat, then Web Apps, and create a new folder. Test your Tomcat. Remember, the right side, the checkbox is green. You can close all of this box because it will be disturb you when you will be start your PC. Now I want to check everything is working or not. All is working, no errors. Filezilla, just give the all information and it is also working. I also installed WordPress. You see, WordPress file is here. Here is from Mercury mail. It is also working. Just I want to check again. I am sending this message in 15 languages. You see, it is 0000. But ready 1 and complete 1. That means it is working. And last one, Tomcat. It is also working. Thank you very much. All is working. Please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please write. I will reply everything. Just write your comment.